How to use Shazam while on another app. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up settings of your device. Here, scroll down and tap on Control Center. Now scroll down until you find Music Recognition. Tap on plus icon. Now it will be shown you on Included Controls. Now swipe down. You will see Shazam icon. In order to turn on it, tap on it. It will show you a song that it has detected before. So in this way you can use Shazam while on another app. So this is shortcut to use Shazam app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.